I'm Jeff Reardon. I'm the owner-operator of Lighthouse of Nashville. We're an outdoor lighting business here in the metro Nashville area. We specialize in lighting design. We have first-rate installation crews. We do great service, but we really shine in the design department.
Hello, I'm Evan Clark and I'm from Nolensville, Tennessee. Jeff and his team were fantastic when we got together with them. They put us at ease. They showed confidence and experience in how they were going to deal with the project. They mapped out exactly, told us what we should have, because as a customer we thought we knew what we wanted, but the reality of it is they knew a lot more than we did about lighting, obviously, the home. They brought a drawing in the next day, showed us exactly what it's going to look like, where they're going to put the lights, and recommended areas that we had overlooked. So the experience was very simple and very good.
My name's Corey Paul. I live in Nolensville, Tennessee. Our first interaction with Jeff talking about our lighting on our home was not only professional, but you really got the sense of almost a craftsmanship mentality.
Our expectations at the start were obviously that we wanted that wow effect whenever the house was lit at night time. We trusted them because we felt comfortable with them. We felt that they knew what they were talking about. And the difference between the lights you buy from Lighthouse versus the lights you get from a Home Depot or Lowe's are completely different night and day. So we just put our mind at ease knowing this is the way to go forward with this here.
When you call Lighthouse for the initial consultation, what you can expect is we will come out to your house, we'll walk around with you, we'll talk about the features of your house in particular, what makes it different from your neighbor's house, what are the really cool features that we really want to pick up at night. And then we'll talk about how we achieve that. We'll talk about the different installation pieces and what it takes to achieve the look that we're discussing.
Lighthouse did a great job communicating with us through Jeff, not just during the install, but explaining to us what he was going to do, how he was going to do it. They just did a great job keeping it clean, keeping it neat, and doing a really professional job.
Our Lighthouse crews are trained by Lighthouse to do installation the Lighthouse way. You know, whether that is the way the transformer is hung on the wall, the way the wiring is done in the ground, the connections that we use, everything that we double and triple check on, everything that we install in every installation, so you don't have to worry about having problems down the line.
The experience of the Lighthouse crew was fantastic, to be fair. We've dealt with many contractors and sometimes been let down in the past, but when the Lighthouse crew turned up in Jeff, they were timely, they were professional, they had professional equipment with them. They took care of my home, they took care of my property like it was their own.
What I like about the lighting business is it can be so transformational. You show up to a house that's almost a hole in the sky. You know, you can't see it, it disappears at night. We come in, we do the design for you, we do the installation for you, and when you see that house for the first time, you never even knew that your house was that beautiful.
I drove home from work, it was dark, and as soon as I came into the subdivision, my house just jumped out at me. It was the first house I could see. All the other homes around us, because it's a new subdivision, were still all dark, and this house just popped out. We feel that he exceeded our expectations. Truthfully, from the heart, the home looks fantastic at night. I don't think I could have ever done that myself, and Lighthouse did a fantastic job, and thanks to Jeff and the team.
I'd rate Jeff and Lighthouse specifically from a contractor perspective as one of the best we've dealt with. In the business that I work in, we deal with a lot of contractors, and you just don't get, like I said before, that craftsman type approach to things. Not just in to do a job, to set things in a specific spot, but really being prideful in what you're doing.
My advice to those people who want to light their home, trust Jeff, trust the Lighthouse team. It's a fantastic product. They do as they say they're going to do, and you'll be very happy with the experience.
A thoughtful and well-conceived lighting design will add warmth and elegance to your home like nothing else can. Have questions? Contact us and speak to one of our certified designers today.